Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to take screenshot on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, screenshot can serve as visual reference for design inspiration, color schemes, layout, or any visual elements that users want to refer back to for creative projects or personal use. And also, screenshots are useful for providing feedback or reviews on apps, websites, designs, or any visual content. User can capture specific elements of a product or service to illustrate their feedback. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Okay, to capture a screenshot using the basic method, simultaneously press the power button and volume down button on your device. And for an alternative approach, access the control center and tap on the screenshot option available. So for the next step, you can also take the screenshot by swiping 3 fingers from the top of the screen. Okay, and you can see it in the gallery. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to take a screenshot on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.